I didn't know what to expect, but as soon as we started floating and my arms started floating, as well as my helmet and my gloves, I thought that was pretty cool. The only thing is we lose stuff up here because things float. Over. HB9 Tango Sierra Oscar, Oscar Romeo 4 India Sierra Sierra, over. HB9 TSO, this is OR4 ISS channel 42, over. HB9 TSO, this is OR4 ISS, over. TSO, this is OR4 ISS, backup channel 42, over. HB9 TSO, this is OR4 ISS, over. Channel 41. Loud and clear, over. Go ahead. I don't ever really feel bored because we have windows, so it's great to look out the windows and take pictures, and also there's all sorts of floating to be done, and that's a lot of fun. Over. So we work in Houston, and we try to help the other astronauts who are coming to space and help them with our experience of being up here. Over. Say floating. It's sort of like being a fish, but it's also like being a bird, and you learn how to use your feet instead of your hands sometimes to grab onto things. It's pretty cool. Over. Probably the northern lights, because you really see that there's a lot of power in the universe, and this green thing is hitting the Earth, and it's pretty spectacular. Over. From like minus 200 to plus 200. Actually, we were out there yesterday and we were wearing our big spacesuits, which have thermal layer as well as micrometeorite layer, as well as a pressure bladder. Over. It's really fun. Your hair stands on end, then everything floats. Like I was saying, sometimes you lose things because things don't fall to the ground when you drop them. It's that's annoying, but floating yourself is a lot of fun. Over. Normal at home on Earth are difficult to do. For example, going to the bathroom or losing things. Over. It's very easy to float, and you can't get away from doing it while you're up here, so you just have to learn. Over. Most of our food is pre-cooked, so we just have to heat it up, but we have everything from sweet and sour tofu to lasagna to fish. Over. Yeah, it's pretty good, and sometimes you learn how to put things together and make things like when you like to mix things, like I can make peanut butter and jelly sandwich on a piece of tortilla that we have up here. Over. HB9 TSO, this is Oscar Romeo 4 ISS, over. Hello, this is OR4ISS, over. Because stuff starts to float. So it has a little bit of a vacuum suction to pull stuff in the right